No matter how adept you are at rotating the front camera, we spoke with some Instagram influencers to get their best advice on avoiding thirst traps. Trust me, you're stunning even without a picture to prove it. But if you're seeking for advice on how to capture that beauty or need help emphasizing your curves and learning your angles, look no further. You should check out these photo tips and seductive selfie ideas before your next solo photo shoot for the benefit of your social media accounts and the health of your spine. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. 1. The front camera should be cleaned. Priorities first. The exact opposite of what you want is a fuzzy photo. Ensure that there isn't any dirt or dust obstructing your excellent shot. To clean your front camera, use a microfiber cloth, but avoid touching it directly with your fingertips to prevent problems. 2. Use the focus tool, please. Fun fact: smartphones are actually quite intelligent. Because of this, the camera app has a ton of settings for adjusting focus and lighting. Before you take a picture, experiment with these settings by just tapping the center of the screen. After all, your attention should be on you, not your messy bed. 3. Avoid thinking too much. You will only get further behind if you hesitate. Instead of stopping and making sure you hit the posture after every shot, take as many at once and evaluate the best ones later. Additionally, this will guarantee that your Instagram husband remains dedicated to their photography responsibilities. 4. Take an angled shot. In order to create a sense of closeness, Instagram star Stephanie Yeboah advises taking shots from an angle rather than straight on. She explains, "I like a high above perspective since it's easier to fit in the silhouette of your body." 5. You underestimate the strength of your legs. Stylist, producer, and model Jessica Wu shows that switching up your leg position in a few different photographs will increase your chances of finding the perfect picture when you go through your camera roll. A wider stance, putting one leg in front of the other, and standing with your feet together are typically flattering, according to the model. "I tend to alternate my leg stances a few different times to get multiple angles," she adds. 6. Arch that back. Sam Feher, a Cosmopolitan editorial assistant and independent Instagram influencer, reveals how this easy action highlights your waist while making your bottom explode. "Because I'm angling my upper body away from the camera in this image, it appears like my butt and thighs are wider than my waist, which is incorrect." 7. Make use of mirrors and windows. Your best buddies are mirrors and windows. In Yeboah's opinion, posing in front of or on the side of a window while the sun is shining gives an almost ethereal radiance that supports an innocent yet sexy look. Purchasing a large white shirt is also beneficial. 8. Lean forward slightly. It gives you absurdly long-looking legs, adds Feher. Another method to lengthen your gams? From the bottom, tilt the picture upward. It also gives the impression that your legs are 30% longer if you wear shoes that are the same shade as your trousers or legs. 9. Fire downward. It actually makes you appear taller. Although it may seem logical to take shots from above, Feher claims that doing so can result in crooked images. Yeboah concurs, stating that in order to create the impression of greater height, she prefers to film from below. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.